The United States faces critical challenges in maintaining its naval superiority and maritime security, necessitating increased warship production. China's rapid naval expansion, with over 5,500 commercial vessels compared to the U.S., underscores a strategic imbalance that threatens America's ability to project power and secure global trade routes. The Bipartisan Ships for America Act aims to address this gap by tripling the U.S. commercial fleet to 250 vessels and revitalizing shipbuilding infrastructure, recognizing that maritime dominance is inseparable from national security. Without urgent action, the U.S. risks ceding control of critical sea lanes to adversaries. China now operates the world's largest navy by hull count, constructing warships at a pace the U.S. struggles to match. The Congressional Budget Office estimates a $1 trillion cost to expand the U.S. Navy to 381 ships by 2053, a plan requiring doubling current annual shipbuilding spending. Delays in submarine production, 1.2 built annually versus a 2 per year target, and maintenance backlogs for aging carriers further erode readiness. Meanwhile, China's state-subsidized shipyards control 59% of global commercial orders, enabling dual-use capabilities for military logistics. U.S. shipbuilding capacity has declined by 85% since the 1950s, with only a handful of yards capable of constructing large vessels. The SHIPS Act proposes funding to modernize infrastructure and recruit 100,000 additional workers for submarine production alone. Skilled maritime jobs, critical to sustaining the industrial base, generate up to 7 ancillary positions per shipyard worker, offering wages exceeding $200,000 annually in specialized roles. However, labor shortages and reliance on foreign-built components threaten these economic and security multipliers. A diminished commercial fleet jeopardizes the military Sea-Lift Command's ability to transport troops and equipment during conflicts. Only 80 U.S.-flagged international vessels remain to support surge logistics, compared to over 400 during the Gulf War. The Navy's 30-year shipbuilding plan emphasizes expanding amphibious and auxiliary ships to enable force projection, but current production rates lag behind China's by a factor of 200 in commercial vessel output. Rebuilding America's shipbuilding industry would reduce reliance on foreign ports vulnerable to Chinese influence, while strengthening alliances like AUKUS through submarine partnerships. The SHIPS Act's measures, including tax incentives for domestic ship construction and streamlined federal oversight, aim to reverse decades of underinvestment. As Senator Todd Young noted, shipbuilding is a national security priority and a stopgap against foreign coercion. Without sustained investment, the U.S. risks losing both its maritime edge and the high-tech manufacturing jobs that sustain it.